In this video, we will install Google Meet. Many people use browser to open Google Meet. Then they type code or link in the browser of Google Meet. When we go to Microsoft Store, even there we don't find Google Meet. Today I will show you how to install it. Go to any browser. Type meet.google.com in your browser. Now click on three dots on the top right corner. Click on Apps and then click on Install Google Meet. Now go to Windows search bar, type Google Meet and you will find it. That's it. Thanks for watching.